Okay, so this project, Shared Preferences, allows you to store information permanently. So we're just going to run the project here for a second just to show you what's going on. And so if I wanted to store hello, okay, and if I hit store that, now that has stored it in a shared preference, which I'll explain in a second. Now, let's say, for example, you were to close the app completely, and then you decided to reopen the app. And if I hit the show now, it's going to go to shared preference and show me the word hello, which I saved. Okay, so that allows you to store information permanently even when you close the app or even power off the phone. So as you can see here, there's my XML, my two buttons, and my edit text. Okay, now in the Java, we basically have our two buttons, our edit text field, and we're creating a shared preference database. Now, first of all, on the button store, how to store the information. Right, so basically what these two lines do here is they actually create a shared preference called, I call it SP database because it's kind of like a database. So what shared preferences do is they're like a spreadsheet with two columns, key value pairs. So you put a key in one part and the value in the other. So this line here is creating a kind of a database or a shared preference called SP database in a table called table underscore store text. That's what I've done it. And basically it's ready to be edited. Now, if this doesn't exist when it does this lookup, it creates it. And if it does exist, then it just uses it. Then the next thing I do is I grab the string from the edit text. And then on this line here, we are basically putting the key value pair, key save text, and whatever I've typed into the text field. And then we commit that. And then I toast saying date has been saved. All right. So GGGGG, store that, boom, kill that, open it up. And now when I click this button, I'm getting the GGG. So what's going on there? In this case, again, I'm opening up the database and that particular table. Okay. And then I'm finding the key value pair, key save next against the word. And if it doesn't find anything, it returns null. And then will toast me the answer. So in a nutshell, these two lines will create the database if it doesn't exist and sets it into edit mode. And these allow you then to actually submit a value into the shared preference. And then when you're just retrieving it, all you've got, you don't need to go into edit mode, you just connect to that shared preference in that particular table, find the key value pair, in this case key saved next, and then return the value. So that should show you how to actually store information permanently in your app. And just remember, I've done my examples in onClicks, but you could easily do a lookup to a shared preference in the onCreate, okay? And basically decide, let's say you could set the settings for you want your background red or if image or something. So some sort of profile settings and stuff, you could use shared preferences to do things like that. Okay.